Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this Death of a Showgirl makeup look, inspired by the new Life of a Showgirl Taylor Swift album. For a Showgirl look, I decided to block out my eyebrows and make really thin black brows. Then using the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia palette, I'm using this yellow shade and putting it above the crease and blending towards the eyebrows. Then using this orange shade from the Warrior 2 palette and putting this in the crease and outer corners. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette again, I'm using the minty green shade and putting this on the inner corners of the lid. Then using the green shade in the Warrior 3 palette for the outer corners. Then using the sparkly teal shade for the inner corners and underneath the eye. And doing the rest of the under eye in green. Then a little bit of yellow underneath. Then using the sparkly yellow shade as a highlight underneath the eyebrows and in the inner corners. Then using a teal glitter gel for the inner eye corners. Then for a blush, I'm using that same orange shade we used on the eyes and going very heavy on the blush. Then going above that with that same yellow shade we used on the eyes. Then using that same sparkly yellow shade as a highlight. And adding white eyeliner to the waterline. Then I start adding green and gold rhinestones to the inner corners going towards the middle of the eye. Then using a bright red liquid lipstick. And you could stop here if you just wanted a showgirl style makeup look. But to create the Death of a Showgirl type look, we're using red Mehron face paint to create eye drips to make it look like you're crying bloody tears. Getting the paint on the brush and then letting it drip. Then adding red rhinestones on top of the bloody tears. I felt for a showgirl type look it definitely needed rhinestones for the tears. And that completes this Death of a Showgirl makeup look. You could stop here and you just wear it with your normal eyes, but I decided to add white contacts for a more dead kind of look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.